In the crushing dark, 500 million neurons ignite a brain unlike any other. This is the octopus, Earth's alien genius. Forget what you think you know about intelligence. Deep beneath the waves, an extraordinary mind operates in ways that challenge our very definition of consciousness. This creature boasts not one, not two, but 3 hearts, pumping blood that flows a ghostly blue. That's thanks to copper-based hemocyanin, not iron. Its skin, a masterpiece of bioengineering, packing 200 chromatophores per square millimeter, allowing instant camouflage. Imagine a living, breathing, high-resolution display panel. This animal can shift its color and texture in just 0.7 seconds. Faster than you can blink, it's gone. It's blue blood, it carries 90% of its oxygen, thriving in frigid depths where your blood would freeze solid. And it's not just one kind. The mimic octopus, Octopus mimicus, can imitate up to 15 different species. It's the ocean's most convincing method actor. Its 8 arms bristle with around 280 suckers each, totaling 2,240 individual sensors across its body. Each sucker grips with astonishing power, holding 15 kilograms. That's like one of your fingers lifting your entire car. Many octopus species have a rapid life cycle, living only 1 to 2 years. Your dog will likely live much longer. Found worldwide down to 200 meters deep, they adapt to coral reefs and rocky crevices alike. To escape predators, an octopus releases a cloud of dark ink, a decoy that disorients attackers for up to 10 minutes. They can also squeeze their impossibly boneless bodies through openings as small as 1 inch. Think about that. A 15-kilogram creature that can fit through a soda can opening. Evolution had ideas. Nature said, why not? Behold, an infographic. 3 hearts powering a life beyond our single pump comprehension. Most creatures need just 1 pump for life. But did you know the octopus thrives with not 1, not 2, but 3 beating hearts? These aren't just vanity pumps. Each of the 2 branchial hearts pumps a remarkable 150 liters of blood daily through its gills. That's enough to fill 2 standard bathtubs every 24 hours, just for gill cleaning. Meanwhile, the larger systemic heart maintains a steady blood pressure of 75 mmHg, a whisper compared to your own 120 millimeters mmHg, though your cardiologist would nod in approval. This triple heart system ensures maximum oxygen delivery, allowing the octopus to achieve a stunning 90% oxygen saturation, even in the frigid depths. This alien blood, rich in copper-based hemocyanin, carries 40% more oxygen than human hemoglobin in cold, low-oxygen zones. That blue hue? It's the copper ions visible when oxygenated. Such efficient oxygen delivery fuels a predatory lifestyle that makes your own workouts look like naps. Each liter of octopus blood contains approximately 30 grams of hemocyanin, a concentration 50 times higher than a human's trace copper levels. Talk about a cheat code. Their robust system allows them to thrive from sunlit reefs to the abyss. Their blood temperature? It mirrors the sea, usually a crisp 5 to 10 degrees Celsius. At rest, the systemic heart beats 30 to 45 times per minute, roughly half your own resting rate. But during a hunt, it can surge to over 100 beats per minute, a veritable internal turbocharger. This allows them to hunt in notoriously low oxygen zones, environments where humans would have needed a submarine tour. Each branchial heart, a dedicated gill pump, maintains that vital flow. While 3 hearts keep the blood flowing, the true marvel is its brain. Has 1 billion neurons. Yes, you heard that right. That's 500 million neurons, more than a dog's brain. But get this, 60% of them live in its arms. Imagine your arm operating on its own, like a tiny independent mini-brain. Each arm boasts roughly 50 million neurons, so if one gets detached, it can still react and even forage for food for up to 1 hour. That's unhinged autonomy. Your arm can't do that. It's like having 8 highly skilled employees, each with its own specialized tasks, reporting occasionally to a modest CEO. This distributed intelligence allows them to probe, identify by touch, and grasp prey faster than a human blink, changing texture and color in 300 milliseconds. Think of it, 8 independently thinking hands, each capable of picking a different lock simultaneously. Each of the octopus's 200 suckers per arm acts as a tiny sensory processor, tasting and gripping by touch. Your tongue has taste buds. These suckers are like tiny tasting stations working independently. That's like having 8 chefs, each with their own kitchen, all operating at once. How does something with no skeleton outsmart so many predators? It can tie complex knots around itself in 3 seconds. The human brain is centralized, and octopus is a distributed network, a true marvel of evolution that would make any IT department jealous. Would the world look the same without these intelligent invertebrates shaping our understanding of cognition? With such an astonishing neural network, the octopus brain has a voracious appetite for oxygen, and this is precisely where its 3 hearts become indispensable. These aren't just decorative. 2 branchial hearts specifically pump blood through the gills, ensuring maximum oxygen saturation for the single systemic heart that circulates the rest. This copper-based hemocyanin blood can carry up to 90% more oxygen in cold, low-oxygen waters than human iron-based hemoglobin can. You'd need a hyperbaric chamber just to compete. Researchers were astonished to find the systemic heart can increase its output by over 50% during periods of intense cognitive activity, like hunting. This superior oxygen delivery fuels split-second decisions for complex tasks, like mimicking a flounder or a venomous sea snake instantly, a trick most animals can't even fathom. Its cognitive feats extend to problem-solving, with individuals consistently learning new methods, opening jars, navigating mazes, and even using tools. They even remember faces, potentially holding grudges against specific divers for over 2 weeks, a memory span starting from first encounter. Evolution had ideas. The octopus hunts across vast coral reefs and rocky seabeds, hovering up to 300 square meters in a single night's foraging expedition. That's larger than 2 tennis courts. Its brain, with dedicated lobes for complex visual processing, perceives polarized light, a secret communication channel invisible to most predators. When threatened, it can squirt a cloud of ink up to 10 meters, a protective smoke screen to evade pursuers, twice the length of a typical car. This unparalleled adaptability, driven by its oxygen-rich brain, allows it to thrive in diverse marine environments from 0 to 200 meters deep worldwide. The incredible journey of the octopus began 500 million years ago, birthing creatures with 3 hearts and a half-billion neuron brain. Octopus vulgaris found its genius, bypassing backbones. This evolution is a profound study in convergent evolution. An octopus's central brain contains 70 million neurons, outthinking many invertebrates. Your brain has 86 billion. The octopus divides power, a supercomputer with mini computers in each limb. This distributed network allows arms to act semi-autonomously. Each limb makes decisions, challenging our self-definition. Their camouflage? Skin changes color in 0.7 seconds. Instantly. Scientists remain baffled by their neural processing speed. They compute faster than models predict. To escape, an octopus expels water at 25 miles per hour. That's human sprinter speed underwater. Masters of disguise face pressures. An estimated 90% of wild octopuses do not survive their first year. Their copper-based blood carries 40% more oxygen than human blood. This fuels active brains in cold, low-oxygen depths. For escapes, bodies squeeze through openings as small as 1 inch in diameter. No bones, no problem. Each of its 8 arms boasts 240 suckers. That's nearly 2,000 thinking suckers. Octopuses represent a crucial link in marine food webs, both predator and prey. They balance ecosystems. Their biomechanics inspire next-gen soft robotics. The octopus embodies an evolutionary paradox: immense complexity and intelligence, yet a short, solitary life cycle of only 1 to 2 years. Its legacy challenges our understanding of intelligence.